everyone, it is Susie, and I hope everybody is doing great today. I finally got the December subscription box from Your Creative Studio. Now, I know Amanda sent this at least 3 weeks ago, maybe even a little longer, but it just came. So, gosh, the mail is so slow right now. Especially through the Christmas. It was slow anyway, but with the Christmas holiday in there, it just was super slow. I know that priority packages are at least 30 days in and not 2 day like they should be. And so anyway, I just got the box. So I'm going to go ahead. Now, I have undone it, but I have not opened it up to peek in it yet. So, we're going to see what's in here. Now, Amanda has been listing the things that are in the box on her little card now. This looks like it has 14 items. And so, I always love her cards. They're so cute. And I always love her packaging. So, let's open it up and see what's in here. Let's see what we have got. Here is some masking tape. Or washi tape. Oh, that is very different. I think it's got, I can't tell what it's got on. It looks like little birds. Yes, it is birds. Let's see if I can get a piece of it here ripped off. And we will. Oh, it's sticky too. It is a sticky washi. Okay, so I'm going to kind of just put a piece here so maybe you can see it. That has a little, that'd go great in a grungy journal. Okay, we have, oh, what a cute little, that is a craft envelope. That is super cute. This is a cling stamp. Okay. Oops. Oh, they're snowflakes. Okay, this is a cling, these are cling stamps. Let me, okay, so that looks like a mountain with a little forest there. And then here are some little tiny, that's a little tiny snowflake. I don't know if you can see that or not. And then a snowflake there. Those are cute. I love snowflake stamps especially. Let's see what this is. Oh, that's some kind of charm. Oh, how cute. That is adorable. That almost just looks like a bookmark. What did she list this as, I wonder? A bookmark, yeah. Glow-in-the-dark owl bookmark. Yeah, that's what that is. So you can put that in your book and then have that lay out. Isn't that cute? And there's a little snowflake there. That is adorable. Okay. This is another cling stamp. So let's just open the top of it. Oh, more snowflake. Oh, this is cute. This is an owl. That is adorable. And then I have a couple more snowflakes. I love the snowflakes. Absolutely love snowflakes. Adorable. Okay. This is another cling stamp. It looks like another owl, kind of. Just open the top of it here. Oh! Yes, a very big owl with a stocking cap on. And then we have a couple more snowflakes. So, very cute. Love that. Okay, what have we got here? Like woodland. Like the washi stickers. Let's get them out of there. There's a couple of deer here. Some holly. Oh, I love the tree. Look at the tree. And I love these little trees right here too that's lost their branches. I love that. A couple little wreaths. Looks like some little holly leaves. Well, not really holly leaves. I'm not sure what those are. Maybe it's mistletoe. I don't know. Oh, so cute. This is really cute. The little trees there. Awesome. Love that. Some cotton, I think, or like cotton. What are those called? I can't think what they're called. There's something cotton. Those are so cute. What is this? A stamp. It's this right here is what it is. This stamp right here. Ferris wheel, I think is what it's supposed to be. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be a Ferris wheel. There's that one. And then this one will be, of course, this deer, which is adorable. These are great stamps. Yeah, right there. Oh, that is awesome. I love that. Okay. Now, I think I have used something like this before. I love this here. I'm just going to split out the side. These are great little things for those collages, too. I love those. But that is cute. Okay, there is that. Yeah, these look fun. Those almost look like Alice in Wonderland. These look really cute. What have we got here? Now, they're not sticky backed. These are not sticky backed. I think those are all the same. There's some like little labels there. Label. Yep. There's your little labels. Here's some tags. Whoops. That's cute. There are some more labels. Some little square ones. And I think, oh, I think these are two of the different ones here. Here's another tag there. And then there's some circles. And some like that. So several types of labels there. Not sure what these, so like a washi. There are a sticker there. That's cute. These are some more of my fun little collage pieces that I like. Yeah. Oh, look there. There's the little, I love the little dolls one. Now these are not sticky backed either, so. I love these. These are so good in the little collages, and that's what I like to look for, is the little collage pieces there. Yeah, those are cool. Alright, there is that. And this is a vintage notepad. And this will be a winter. Oh, looky there. Can you see what's in the box? That's cute. Oh, yes. This is a cute notepad right here with the owls, and it's got like the snowflakes on the top. I like that. I like that a lot. Oh, this one's a little different. That one's got like a little cottage there. Oops, I think I saw a different, nope. And then there's a different one. How cute. I like that. Okay, there's the little notepad. This is awesome. Look at the owls there, like the white tail, or what, I think they call that a white tail. That is adorable. I love that. Okay, and then of course the papers, the little papers. These are not sticky back, but look how cute that is. This says, let it snow. All snowflakes. Perfect. That paper feels kind of thick, but I don't believe it's sticky back. How cute. So another great box Amanda has put together. So guys, I am so far behind on getting projects done with these boxes. I know I still had October's, November, and December boxes. that I have just not gotten anything made with yet. So hopefully that will be in the future. I sure can't promise it, but I really hope I can get something together using these. And anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed the unboxing. And guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate that, and I will catch you in the next video.